We got some major updates coming to the secret catch system in Call of Duty Mobile. If you've been holding tokens and planning your next legendary unlock, you want to pay attention to these. These have finally confirmed that they are doing a full refresh on the secret catch system in Season 5, which includes a bunch of new items being added to the token exchange store. We are talking new epic weapon skins, new exchange options, and most importantly, a brand new legendary weapon is coming. None other than the fan favorite legendary AK-47. That's right, the legendary will be getting a new legendary AK-47 skin. They haven't revealed the design yet, but fingers crossed. I hope it's not recycled blueprint. I am hoping for something clean, flashy and unique, not a skin from 2 seasons ago. Here's the part that really matters. If you got tokens saved up, use them now. Seriously, they have officially confirmed that these tokens will not carry over into Season 5. Once the new season starts, your current tokens will vanish, so whether you save 50 and spend them before the reset or you will watch them disappear for nothing. On top of that, there is another layer being added to the system within the introduction of Universal Fragment. Call of Duty Mobile plans to get players convert existing fragments from weapons. They already own the universal fragments. These new fragments can apparently be used to unlock other weapons from the cache systems. There is supposed to be a fixed conversion date, but they haven't announced the exact numbers yet. Yes, this applies only to weapons you already own. So it's kind of a recycling system. Good news if you've been stuck with the duplicates or leftover fragments doing nothing. Another small but important reminder, don't go crazy trying to collect cache now. The current season still has about 26 days left, and you can only save up to 50 secret caches at a time. So if you are maxed out, wait for the season 5 updates before opening them, because once season 5 starts, those caches might contain universal fragments right from the beginning. That's an early head start. If you want to maximize the value of your collection, now's the time to stock up. There are multiple ways to farm secret caches. The double catch event, which gives you double catch reward. The catch frenzy login event. Just log in for the 5 consecutive days and you will grab 25 secret catches for free. The reserve catch reward is now available to claim, so don't miss out that. Of course, the free secret catch available through the catch frenzy event. Just log in and complete all the events. That's it for now. A quick heads up about the upcoming changes. This is the big news, especially for anyone sitting on tokens or waiting for new legendary top. Personally, I'm pretty hyped to see what the new AK-47 legendary will look like. Maybe something animated or reactive. Let's hope it not let down. Let me know in the comments what kind of AK-47 theme you're hoping for. I'm thinking something really sick. Alright, that's all for now. Smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more updates like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.